Hey guys, I'm Fontana Monique and I am back today to do another video. This is an update video for my last wig video. What supplies you need to make a wig. And it is a deep wave, it's a 26 inches. You need any information on this wig, just leave it in the comment section. And also it came in a nice, beautiful bag. You need bundles, whether you're going to supply the bundles or your client is going to supply the bundles, but they need to supply the frontal. The frontal comes in the 4x4, 13x4, 13x6, or 360. And it's going to take at least 2 bundles. So the first thing you will need to get started is paper and pen. Let me show you what I use to log my client's information. So I got this from Sally's, and then on the back is where I normally write all my measurements. Head circumference, front to back, ear to ear, your temple measurement, and the nape of the neck. Those are normally the 5 measurements that I use to make a wig. You will need measuring tape to measure your clients. In order to make a wig, you're gonna need needles. Here is the T-pins. I don't use those a lot. Then you have the fabric pens. And then my curved needle is the only needle that I use. You're gonna need thread. And you can buy your thread in bulk. I bought this from AliExpress for $10. The only caps that I use, caps that I get from AliExpress. And I get them for like $10 and I get like 5 or 6. I only use large or extra large wig caps. For the canvas block head, this is the canvas block head I use. You need a 20, a 21, a 22, 23, and a 24. This is the adjustable strap wig cap that I do use on every wig that I make. If you're a beginner, you can start off with your foam head. However, you will need tape or Saran Wrap, something to make this head a little bigger. So when you go to measure it, it'll fit the client. You will need Saran Wrap and some tape. This one I use when I'm making wigs and I'm bleaching the hair or I'm washing the hair. I use one of these so it don't damage the canvas block head. On my smaller head clients, this is a 20.5 canvas block head. This is a wig cap that I use. So this is the netting that I use. Sorry, I had to beep out everything because there was some background music. And this one's more stretchy. I buy these from AliExpress as well. This is a ventilation hook needle that you can get from AliExpress. And then you can buy the little lace fronts from AliExpress, and these are the more of the transparent ones. If you have an adjustable cap, then you don't need the adjustable strap. But if you are using the dome cap wig, the dome caps, which I don't use, then they recommend that you put an adjustable strap in the back. I hope you're writing it down. Also, you're gonna need combs. With a razor, you can just razor the hair instead of cutting it with scissors. Alligator clips. You need scissors. And I have many types of scissors here. I have the regular cutting hair scissors, your thinning shears, tweezers, spray bottle. Make sure you have a toothbrush or a edge brush. Sorry, the AC just kicked on. You need a wet brush, combs, colored markers so you can mark your tracks. Are you going to package them in a box or are you going to package them in a bag? So let's talk about stands. You need a mannequin table stand, or are you going to get a mannequin stand, like a tripod? The tripod that I use is the GEX, and I got this tripod from, I think I got it from Amazon. You want to invest in something that's a little more sturdier, because one I had purchased before was like $20 and it was worth $20. So now let's talk about how you're going to make your wig. How are you going to sew your wig? Are you going to sew it on a machine or are you going to sew it by hand? It's a sewing machine. A wig hammer. This is for those T-pins. Are you going to glue wigs? If you're going to glue wigs, you need to get you a glue gun. I got this from AliExpress for about $5. And then you need to get you some glue sticks. You're going to need a sewing kit. And if you want to get technical, then get you a face mask for the needles. a thimble. You're gonna need nippers, and mine did break, and I'm waiting on mine to come in. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and stay tuned for the next video. We'll be transferring the hat measurements over to a canvas block hat.